Discover the quirky world of sneezing. Did you know that sneezing is your body's way of expelling irritants from your nose? When you sneeze, air can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. And here's a fun fact. It's nearly impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. This is because your body automatically closes them for protection. Sneezes can also carry tiny droplets that can travel up to 30 feet. So when you feel a sneeze coming on, cover up. Interestingly, some people can even sneeze when they look at bright light, a condition known as photic sneeze reflex. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just a little tickle, it's a fascinating bodily function.